going with the exercise that is 11.3, what we are going to see here is we are going to talk about the circles. Okay, now when we talk about circles, circle is a round shape. I know we all know round closed figure is what is a circle. In a circle there'll be some point called as a center, and that center is usually denoted by O. From the center, if I join to any side, that becomes this length that is going to be there will be called as the radius. What will it be called as? It will be called as the radius. Okay, then if there is another circle and there is a line going from the center to this side, and from the same center it is exactly going on to the other side, then this is the radius on one side and this is the radius on the other side. Any side, this is radius, this is radius, this is also radius, this is also radius, this is radius. So the circle has infinite radii. Okay, infinite radii. Okay, when there are plural of radius is radii. So now radius plus radius of a circle becomes the diameter. Radius plus radius is equal to the diameter. So r plus r, algebra lagayenge, 2r is equal to d. So if the radius is given to me, suppose the radius is given to me as 3, then the diameter will be 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6. Okay, or d is equal to 2 times of 3, 2r, no, 2 times of 3, that's equal to 6. Okay, if the radius is given to me as 14, then the diameter is going to be 2 times of 14, that turns out to be 28. If the radius is given to me as 14, no, not 14, it's done already, is given to me as 13, then the diameter is equal to 2 times of 13, that's equal to 26 is what we are going to have it. Okay, so this is how you get, when the radius is given, you can calculate the diameter. Likewise, you will have questions when the diameter is given to you. Okay, diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. So d is equal to 2r, you already know. Now diameter is given, d is equal to 10. What is the radius? So formula is 10 is equal to 2 upon r. Send this down. So 10 by 2 is equal to r. Half of this we are supposed to do. So the r will be 5. If d is equal to 13, then the radius will be half of this, that is 6.5. I have to do half of it always in my head. Okay, then d is equal to, let's say, 18. Okay, so the radius is equal to half of it, 9. So that's how, when the diameter is given, calculate the radius, and the radius is given, calculate the diameter by this only particular formula, d is equal to 2r. Okay, now going with the area formula. What is the formula for the area? Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Okay, pi r square is the area of the circle, and area means what? Area is the full thing that will be covered inside a circle. Okay, then in the circle you have perimeter. Okay, but the perimeter is called as the circumference. Okay, it is called as the circumference, and its formula is 2 pi r is the formula for it. Okay, its formula is 2 pi r. Okay, so area of the circle is pi r square, circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, that's how, these are the two formulas. And pi value is always, you're going to take is 22 by 7. Okay, pi value is always 22 by 7. Suppose there's one question I am doing, this is out of the textbook. The circle has a radius of 13, let's say 14, yeah, 14 centimeters. Find the area. Okay, I need to find the area. So how do I find the area? The area is equal to pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into r. R value is how much? 14 into 14. Then r square, no? So 14 into 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are. That is 44 into 14. 22 into 2 will be 44. 44 into 14 is what I'm going to do. So 4 4s are 16, 16, 17 plus 4 and 4. That's going to be 6, 11 and 6. 616 will be centimeters square will be the area. So the pi value needs to be replaced by 22 by 7. R is the radius that needs to be displaced by the whatever the radius is given to me, and square means you have to put it twice and you have to simplify this.